Okay, sorry. Previously, they were supporting only for the software. Now, what they're providing? Now they're providing a databases as well as the applications also. Correct? So, what is the
Yes.
database latest version? So, HANA DB latest version is the HANA 2.0 SPS. So, even Sybase latest version is 16.4 is there. So, means what are these is nothing but so means SAP providing a application plus they're providing a PAS. What are the PAS?
Platform, sir. Platform as a service.
Platform as service. Okay, mean these two flat means they two services they provided along with softwares are they providing, platforms also they providing. Now they
Yes.
focusing on the infrastructure also. Okay, that is going to means so SAP was involving okay the front end point of back end point of the market is very good. Then obviously what
Yes.
they're doing, so they want to do involving into the infrastructure also. Correct. As starting, I told them when I do the provide SAP provide, what are the things are compulsory?
Infrastructure, OS, network,
Hmm. So
and
any kind
application.
of application, again, these all the things are there. So that is the reason what happened. SAP, they previously every customer they maintaining their own physical servers, but right now what happened? They maintaining either AWS, either Microsoft Azure, either they providing GCP. Like SAP also having its own SAP BTP. So PaaS is there along with the platform is also there. So like it will be supporting Alibaba Cloud everything. Okay. So this you can what we can call technically you can calling a SaaS. Okay. SaaS is nothing but software as a service. Means now if you want to do the SAP project, you don't put any other company licenses. Okay. Just you can take one subscription. So the all the things. So now whatever the whenever I want to do the project, okay, what are the things are required here? So as per this, I understanding array. So I want to requiring array. SAS is required, PAS is required. Okay, along with the IAS is also required. Correct. So these all
Yes.
I am taking from SAP company, not for other company. So that concept you can calling array rise with SAP. The slogan of this concept is a rise with SAP. What is the meaning of rise with SAP? What is the meaning of rise with SAP? So means these all platforms, okay, infrastructure, database, softwares, everything is provided from SAP company itself. Even that is the
Okay.
reason, even as I told that SAP is involving the operating system also. Some of the official partners, as I told that HANA DB is supporting only for the Linux. Again, Linux two variants are there. Linux Enterprise Edition is there. So SUSE Linux for SAP was there. So this is was different. So SUSE Linux for Red Hat is also this is also it's going to different. Okay.
Okay.
So even standard edition is there, and if sorry. So when I'm going to HANA DB will be supporting only for Linux. Again, it is going to SUSE Linux, and it will be going to for again SUSE Linux. They will be supporting only for the SUSE Linux and as well as Red Hat. Again, SUSE Linux Enterprise Edition will be supported, and the Red Hat is also there. But apart from this, if you take this by if you want to buy the license for SUSE Linux for SAP, Red Hat for SAP, so the high availability concept, clustering concept, okay, keys maker, replication. So all features are there. If you're taking a normal enterprise edition is nothing but you don't need it. You do manual configuration. But if you want to
Okay.
select this features is nothing but high availability, this all comes under for this. So now I'm doing the provide everything is comes under not. So at the time of infrastructure creation only, so the AWS GCP, so they will be providing a firewall configuration with the zone wise. Okay, IP address, network, everything is there. So now I want to do an SAP project, so I don't want to go to any other company. So these all kind of subscriptions I'm getting from SAP itself. No need to go for any other company. So that is the meaning of rise with SAP.
So
Clear?
for database, yes. So one
Yes, sir.
question, like for
Hmm.
database and all, for installing the HANA DB in the database, we'll use like Azure and all, Azure or AWS.
Sorry. No, no, you can
So
installing on-premise. HANA will be supporting anything. The infrastructure, you can install anything. Operating system, as I told, either you can take this SUSE Linux or Red Hat. Okay. SAP
no,
application you can install anywhere, but database will be
okay.
supporting only for the Linux.
So
Okay.
database we can install in cloud.
Yeah, you can install in the cloud anywhere. It will be going to supporting everywhere.